What's up, guys? It's a new day. So today Jeremy just got here and we're gonna put the interior into his car now, and after that we're gonna go ahead and put the front bumper on. I still haven't modified the front bumper support yet, so we're gonna go ahead and do that after, but we're gonna get the interior in first. So see. Alright, so we got the rear seats out. Gonna go ahead and put in the other seats now. I didn't do it before, but you guys can see here, these are just full leather, and it looks like that. The bottom are just full leather too. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the other seats in, and then we'll see how it looks like. And you can see this why the other seats match more. It matches the door panels here where it's leather, and then it has this nice sway to it, just like the seats are. Damn, looks good, dude. Alright, we got the rear interior in, and it looks good. Can't really tell right now because the lighting sucks, but it looks a lot better than the leather, and it matches this. So yeah, go ahead and put in the front seats now, and then we'll be done with the interior. We can start working on the front bumper. Damn, it looks sick. So we got the interior in. It's fully in now, and it looks so good. Damn, it looks good. Really matches this whole car a lot better. You can see here. Check the interior on this side. Looks sick. And I love the back seats. Looks so good. So yeah, that's it. We have the side skirts. We're gonna put on the side skirts as well, and then we're gonna do the front bumper. So let's go ahead and cut the front bumper support so that we can put on a bumper. Okay, so here is the modified bumper support, and all we did was remove about half an inch here, or like an inch off, just because it's too wide and too far forward for the JDM bumper. And then I trimmed this part off because the sides are too wide right here too, but we're leaving this middle piece just so we kind of have like some strength to this support still. No, I don't think you do. Huh?
Into this?
Yeah. It's okay. We'll just leave it like that. I think it should be fine. Look like it might hit this, but we'll try it. It would seem like it fit earlier though, right?
Oh, you want to try it?
Oh, you guys put on? Alright.
Yeah, it fits now.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. It's kind of good we left this. Well, I don't know. Is it?
No, it's not hitting.
It's okay.
This bitch in.
The what?
This is pretty nice.
Yeah. The guy's whole car was this color. So we got on the side skirts too, and it looks good. So these were on the skirts before, but took them off and then sold it to my brother Blong, and then we gave it back to Germs. So it looks good though. Fits pretty good, huh? It's only this part right here that's kind of off, but I don't know. It looks good though. It was always tight like this, huh?
This side's tight.
Oh, and this side, that side fits good?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, this side fits a lot better. Cool, looks good. Damn, it looks sick. Both of these ISs. You guys gotta do like a photo shoot now or something.
Oh, it doesn't fit.
Huh?
It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit.
What do you mean it doesn't fit?
Some of them don't fit.
Alright, so the front bumper is on. Dang, it looks good. I like the grill too, it actually kind of matches. Now he just needs the lip, which is supposed to look like that. Ooh, that looks good. Is it kind of high on that side?
Yeah.
Adjust the
Damn, it looks so different.
dude, it looks sick.
Oh shit. That shit is sick, dude.
Dude, it looks good with the side skirts too.
I'm a hype man now.
Damn, it's sick, dude. Yeah, I like the side profile right here. It looks so good because it's not like so far out.
Yeah.
With the skirts, your car looks like a drift car now. That's it, huh? Got the interior in. Got the skirts on. This car is super clean now. Yeah, dang. Now you just need a big old spoiler. Guess we got Joe right in. Just blow, just drill, and then drill right into the bumper support.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, right.
yeah. Get a drill bit, and then just drill right through both, and then stick it through.
So smart.
Yeah, that's why when I saw the broken tab, I was like, that doesn't matter, cause you're not gonna use that anyways, you know,
No.
on the license plates. They're just so small. Dude, it looks so good. I actually kind of like it mismatched colors. I don't know.
Don't look too bad. Huh?
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty sick. So I kind of like it, like 2 different styles of the JDM IS, you know. That's pretty dope. Got the clears too. Let's turn on your car, see how the clear fog lights look like. Can you just turn it on? Oh, yeah, they're yellow too.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Yeah, they're just clear.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they all like that. Damn, that's sick. It's the last piece, right? Then we're done. Yeah.
Higher like this, huh?
Yep. As high as you can. Is it even?
Yeah, it's right on the top.
That's all that matters. You start seeing coolant flow down. Oh shoot.
You can take it off now.
Did it break or what?
No, just not tighten. I don't know how to tighten this. How do you tighten that shit?
You just hold on and then lost it.
The black one?
Any screwdriver? Any?
Oh.
Right there. Oh, you need a screwdriver.
Yeah, screwdriver. Yeah.
What you think, dumb bitch?
Oh, you need a screw.
Oh
Good?
shit, that shit's strong as fuck, bro.
Yeah, even better, man. You got aluminum now.
Ain't going nowhere.
Aluminum support, bro. Your bumper will rip off for this. The license plate does.
The license plate is holding it up.
Yeah, that's even better support.
That's cool.
Yeah, alright. Yep. Dude, that looks so freaking good.
That's
Yeah, I like it. I kind of like it mismatched too. I don't know. Had 240s for too long, you know. Sheesh. Park it up, back it up to the street together. And take a badass photo.
Just want to get a quick thumbnail.
Yeah. What was that? Oh, extra button?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think he needs one. Don't you need one of those buttons?
Yeah, the extra buttons right here.
Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this vlog. Pretty much done with Jeremy's car. And now Blong and Jeremy's car looks pretty sick. So, yep, that's going to be it. And thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Later.